Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to import products from AliExpress to our own website using Alidropship. So let's get started. This is my site backend and my site is built on WordPress. So first we have to install Alidropship plugin. You can download it from Alidropship website and install it in your website by going to plugins, add new, and just upload plugin. You can just choose the file in a zip format and install it. But I have already installed the plugin, that is Alidropship plugin, as you can see here, and all the things are here. But the next step is that you need to have a Chrome extension, Alidropship Chrome Extension, and connect your website to it. I have already installed that and connected my website, so you can get it over here, Alidropship Chrome Extension. So here it is. You can do add to Chrome from here, but it's showing it remove from Chrome for me because I have already installed it. So next step is to import a product, that is this one. So you can just directly import it from here, but I need to add and make some changes to this product. So I'll rename this and give it some other name. Okay, it's nice. So I'll just rename all these things and I recommend you to have a same permalink as your product name, that is alarm clock wake up. Okay, so I will just add it in accessories, not in this one, but this one. Okay, so you can just remove and add gallery if you want, like a video here, and all the things. You can just see the pricing over here and item specifics and attributes if the product got some. So you can just directly publish over here, but I need to add it to import list. So I'm going products on my site backend, and as you can see here we got an import list tag in this, and we're gonna select this product and publish and apply. Okay, I think this product will be imported. Okay, it's imported now, so let's check it out on our website, on our front end, that is this one. So we got it here, it's here, alarm clock wake up. So we got everything we needed. We got all the gallery, everything we got. So we got the images too. Okay, it's nice. We have successfully imported the product on the website. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the videos like this, and tell me what should be the next video's topic.